ensem ena ya boaboa no a ye de bre etifo said ye da ye mama ensem no yenko ensem no emu
ma the Ashanti regional chairman of the new patriotic party, Chairman Bernard Entry Puesia Kosabrama file application at Accra High Court. Now, from the last ruling at Accra High Court, a passitana a court and as a judge or tina semneso at the by a Justice Audrey Kokoviti for from the last ruling by me said after Seweti Afania Faninano, I dear some sorry so name your massa tenacity on the 3rd of July, so Omotenase on the 3rd of June 2026, and then your man who can send ye among Sound Comra, then ye 3rd July, or more abanes or the judgment in Suno, etimi at the Abana Jessibian Suno. No? And the lead counsel at the Machama on also actual application at the Akopimu Sabri El Court. Now, application on the Akopimu in an ASF. Number 1, court no and share. Na time I want myself about dropping a judgment on Chim Kakra and Timmy and Fa and my baking kind a crata with me at the Akopimu and as an application. Wati me at the Akopimu or court. Now, or they are no Akopimu or court no, and for or so at the affidavit and TB at the count to support a application or the akono. One man in Asunti, I was a court no, I was a court no, etimi na otimi extended date no, etimi at the amount. Now, making kind a cratano. Na also who said in your ma esi etie. So notice of motion application for deferment of judgment under the inherent jurisdiction of the court. So take notice that the counsel for the first and third accused persons or applicants herein will move this honorable court on the application praying for an order deferring the delivery of judgment in this matter for a reasonable period to enable newly appointed counsel for the first and third accused persons or applicants to obtain and pursue the certified record of proceeding and all processes hitherto filed in the case, which will pave way for him to lodge a credible and competent written submission on their behalf upon the grounds contained in the accompanying affidavit, and for any further orders as this honorable court may deem meet. Until see in Anyoma, and so AC Akyea signed by Samuel Atta, lawyer for the first and third accused persons or applicants, and I feel so lawyer for a Kikahono, for etimi so to the Registrar High Court Criminal Division Accra, and to the Honorable Attorney General Chambers Accra. Nti we a application option for Samuel Atta, lawyer Samuel Atta otimi the Akyea na attached to application or the Akyea no a affidavit option for, and also etimi to support ni application actually say was a court no ma ho kwan na anasa court no timi etre emra wahye say ode ebe deliver the judgment, because according to share the first the application there we can na it has to do with say share ni sama lawyer Samuel Atta e kana hu ni say the time a court na say ode be deliver the judgment no ebe too much na anu enti na wo kire se ebe ya anka court no mbiem kaka na emma no no ho kwan ana se emma ono na afin so ne client ni the defendant emma mo ho kwan the accused emma mo ho kwan na ne omuntimi enya bre entimi enya ntutuye ba ko mienu ansa na court no atimi atenase na ne judgment no, and so atimi ato so na affidavit. Let me take you through Samuel Atta of the house number C114 Abolebu Crescent, North Laboni, Accra, do hereby make oath and say as follows that I am the dependent, hitherto, and the lawyer for the first and third accused persons, hearing whose requisite consent I have to depose to the matters contained in this affidavit relating to matters which have come to my personal knowledge and understanding. At the hearing of this application, I shall seek the leave of the court to refer to all the processes filed in this suit as if the same had been set out in this affidavit and sworn to under oath. On the 3rd of June 2026, after the close of the defense for the first and third accused persons or applicants, this honorable court adjourned the case to the 3rd day of July 2026 for judgment. The progression of this criminal trial should be a thorough perusal of the record of proceeding and other processes which should be the basis of a serious perusal research and the filing of a credible and competent written submission on behalf of the first and third accused persons or applicant. Unfortunately, at this strategic climax of the case, the lawyer of record for the accused persons withdrew his services, rendering them helpless in the putting together of the legal and skilled write-up which may inform and input the judgment of this honorable court. In the panic of the first accused persons or applicants, he appointed me on behalf on behalf of the third accused persons to assume the role as the counsel and complete the residual and all important exercise of putting together a written submission. Pursuant to my appointment, I duly filed a notice of appointment of a solicitor with this honorable court. Annexed and marked as Exhibit A is a copy of the notice of appointment of a solicitor. Upon assuming the responsibility conduct of a case, I applied to the registrar of this honorable court for a certified copies of the entire record of proceeding and all processes filed in the case, so I commence my work at this concluding stage of the case. Annexed and marked as Exhibit B is a copy of my request for a certified copies of proceedings and processes. As at the time of swearing this affidavit, the certified record of proceedings and requested process have not been delivered to me by the registrar. Indeed, the registrar also intimated to check to my clerk that he will also need the docket in order to photocopy some of the critical documents I will need for my work. In the absence of the complete record, I am unable to adequately acquaint myself with the proceeding and effectively discharge my professional obligations to the first and third accused persons. As counsel presently on record for the accused person, it's necessary that I be afforded a reasonable opportunity to familiarize myself with the record and advise my client appropriately. The first and third accused persons face serious criminal charges, the outcome of which may have significant consequences for their liberty, reputation, rights, and interests. The constitutional guarantee of a fair hearing under the Article 19 of the Constitution necessarily includes the right of the accused person to effective legal representation at every stage of criminal proceeding. It is the obvious truth that while the Republic is ably represented by the Honorable Attorney General and his formidable team, who will put together a written submission ostensibly to hammer out the guilt of the first and third accused persons, they will be totally disadvantaged if this honorable court does not afford me the opportunity to internalize the proceeding and possibly combat the work of the Attorney General through my shedding light on the case and concerning their innocence and the fact that in the final analysis the Honorable Attorney General has not proven their guilt beyond reasonable doubt. Their grant of this application will facilitate the effective exercise of that constitutional right and secure fair trial. The instant application is not intended to obstruct, delay, or frustrate the administration of justice. The sole purpose of this application is to enable me to obtain and pursue the record of proceeding before judgment is delivered. No irreparable prejudice will be occasioned to the Republic should the court grant the first and third accused persons a reasonable time to enable me to file the necessary process for the consideration of this honorable court prior to the delivery of your ladyship's judgment. On the contrary, granting the application would enhance public confidence in the administration of justice by ensuring the first and third accused enjoy the full benefit of legal representation. In the premise, I swear to this affidavit in support of the instant application. So sworn in Accra this day of June 2026. So say Neoma isi etie. So with respect to the case of Chairman Wontumi, Sisiano lawyer Samuel Akyea ne application or their call affidavit or their support ni no it goes in out to just say Sisiano wo hwe lawyer na odi kan e wa asem ni mo na se lawyer na ono na asem na odi animu edi kan lawyer and the Akyea could be Sisiano ono no watwe ne ho e de na every case ni but no nkyere se watwe ne ho de every case ni no Chairman Wontumi any right say of another lawyer or right, and then lawyer Nabano at least I was say on also to me familiarizing on kakra with the case no also to me who case in kakra no also to me who say oh case in the same here na case in the same here say ni here I beat me aboa matches e bibia so etimi akoso the only thing that Samuel Akyea can pay the application or the account is court no e man no ho kwan kakra na ontimi familiarizing him with case na ontimi who case yi said the be ya ba say o tu ne client ne for ba say o ye bibia o don hu de obetimi aye dia found. So some of the pictures of the application and ye dey a good screen so for ocean some of the application chese so for making kind the we application lawyer Samuel Akyea watimi the akodan Accra High Court or said at the end of the day court no betimi ati na ne watimi agrant no the defamers or said the OC can say Sisiano or pese court no ema ho kwan na ne watimi ebi niom kakra etimi edemamba
fine no catch say fata say because end user no and ebebre mo ba ba mi efi January ebepem June say July the year effective cumulatively no not electricity about 30%. Only 2026 so cumulatively from January about it's about 30%. It's show and about 16%. It's show cry no be a part for bima the babanso na nkokone na wom
galamse
what I say now be na betra ha na be kan che Ghana for say e fatasi etumu wa bra factors na wo di gina ho e de kire say wenti na me atu ade mu no wo se sa factors na bafom nyame adom Trump a relaxing him on Iran for diesel bad them for say crude na kodru 110 say be crown nam 77 and none of them here Texas there no and the war 80 Texas be no and now a war about 1875 aircon it tells you say some year projection cry last month last 2 months last 3 months projection and 110 Akyea from into identity na bema nkane abo no asa akosoro yebo ha na omahene wunni adwon ginafo honorable green economy and green transition energy minister obeka che say one bagisi di baako petrol liter bi ebeto oto petrol toa bi atoa ne baako a utua 1 cedi kan ne de krakra e de ahwe ema electricity akoya fie no bia so ho atono after that sikana yetua no ya san edi ne bo no esan kosoro biom ntimi koto fuel no a metua sa sika no me san masa kutu electricity a no bo edin me san kutu nsu a no bo din nti de oye adwuma oye mfidi dwuma no effect ne ne say obeboka so mpeso obeboka dia ese opushi koto dikriso opushi koto amahene so opushi koto adwuma so no pushi to sampan so metua sa aka no na we no abetra ha I justify said wo ade a wanye ne yenti no nkotu ya honka said de na no kan no a o mahine ntina me say aban no waskam ye odina ne nyansa bi ebuye kwase a kire ye say oh we num de no munye kura me na me ye ba wie ye no cheso no de ko no mo ne kura e monsa o ti ase nti aduma mesrawo Would work from Uncle Casa some no. What kind of is from them? Among the message mania, Madame Fubu Iraq, or so at Tunka. Was this man is trying to justify what they said was wrong in the past.
I'm seeing and I could see I didn't keep as a bit was. Now I could see I didn't keep some of what I say. So what you can and this away from ever so. No, we go now what I say a team of 4 a young for which one of their some better time and a gun for I say and this I make you as coming down for what's it about the same I will buy you like my fuck it who knew to Papa Bia not and so I dear betching and give us a bia what I say you two and come any trouble I was said they could because say will be sir and this will be sir John Tremeni Mahama say one Ghana cities here omo de beka eye fan gogo ho se wo mo de nu e kwa kokosiesie nkane ho ensem no e ba na se na still the bia wo mutu eye nkane bom bo se na nsen entokwa na ekoso e wiase ma nsen entokwa no asi ama wiase ba bia no eye fan gogo e kofo na fan go so na o man Ghana ha yetim e de power nkane abo enti TNT na fan gogo no mom e kofo na wiase enema nyina e kofo na NDC ama yego ne de seta still na ombutu enkania eni shugo o say ban enkania ni shugo pa di na so tu de bia dia na sa ban bitimodi yanko na ensama ko akasi adi ki wona so sampan kasa bi ya wo de twaso ko na ko ti bra ye ba ensam biti ye no e be se twaso
am I make some what I say